Small engine resurrection here. Harbor Freight toolbox review and setup. Finally getting it together. I just brought it outside to the garage here. Trying to get everything organized and set up. I got my screwdrivers along here. They give you little holes. Put your screwdrivers in, but I'll probably rearrange that. I got a screwdriver holder. It's magnetic, goes up here. I need to get some better screwdrivers. You gotta have some good screwdrivers, not the screws are just gonna strip. Putting on my cutoff wheels and my sawzall blades and my little pack of bits and stuff. Probably in this drawer. I got me a little wire rack for my all my pliers to sit in. I'm trying to conserve and use all the space and get all magnetic stuff to put up here, but I don't want to put too much weight up there. These Job Smart lifetime guarantee. My stepdad got me for Christmas, and we used it to assemble this. And the flexible one there, the tip broke off of it, so I'm going to take it back and get a different one. These came from Tractor Supply. Good thing it's got a lifetime guarantee. I'm going to put on my little die grinder bits. Bought me a new die grinder. I'll put all them in here. I don't want to bore you guys to death, just trying to show you what my little setup I got going on. Got me a magnetic flashlight that extends out. Extends out farther than that, but it's hard to do with one hand. Let's see. There we go. End of it's flexible. It can bend. Need to get in a tight spot. Look in the motor or whatever. It is magnetic, which ain't that strong that you can see. Got me a set of these T-Hex handles. I don't know where they're gonna go yet. Got some new bits. The thing's sitting off center. I don't know if it's because of the ground or had a lot of trouble putting this thing together. The drawers do lock in. They got these little clips you pull out. There's gonna be all my wrenches. Then I have all my sockets down here. It was taking me an hour or two just to find one socket before. So now I know where everything's at once I get all set up, but it'll take a little while. Definitely ain't gonna fit all my tools. I got a lot. I got about 7 tool bags and boxes full of tools.
You got it out.
So I'll have to get something else. Bought a couple of these little things here. They're magnetic. They sit on the side. I'm gonna try to put my welder down there if it'll fit. But overall, it's a pretty nice toolbox. Just trying to get it set up. Small engine resurrection U.S. General Harbor Freight toolbox setup.